So, have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media or inspired by breathtaking photographs by other photographers? Yeah? Well, have you ever wondered why your own images, just from the same locations, don't have the same impact? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of photography and why it can feel so frustrating when you visit the same places as other photographers, only to be left disappointed when you come to look at your own results. Now, it's human nature to compare ourselves with others, isn't it? Especially when it comes to something as subjective as art. But, when you visit those popular photography spots, and they're filled with loads of talented photographers all capturing extraordinary images, well, it's easy to fall into the comparison trap. And here's the thing. You've got to know that each photographer has a unique vision, their own style and their own perspective. Even at the same location, two photographers will capture entirely different images. And it's all about embracing your own creative voice. That's the important thing. Bring your distinctive essence into the photograph. You see, successful photography isn't just about pointing your camera and clicking the shutter. No. It's about keen observation skills, finding the defining moments, the hidden beauty in the scene, unique angles that others just overlook. Take time to explore surroundings, immerse yourself in the environment and seek out the extraordinary in the ordinary. Now, while it's okay to draw inspiration from others, I think it's crucial to experiment, take risks, develop your own style. Don't be afraid once in a while to step outside your comfort zone. Try new techniques and put your creative ideas into action. Push the boundaries a bit. Let your photography evolve into something really, really distinctive. Because the bottom line is, photography is not just about technical skills and fancy equipment. Sorry, it's about your mindset. It's about your self-belief. When you doubt your abilities or constantly compare yourself to others, you're actually hindering your growth. You're limiting your potential. Believe in yourself. Go on. Trust your unique perspective. Trust that you can create things with your eye that will capture something special, even in familiar locations. And remember, photography is a lifelong journey of improvement. Each click of the shutter is an opportunity to learn and to grow. So analyze your own images critically, identify your areas for improvement, and actively seek feedback from trusted sources. With every shot, you'll get better, and sooner or later, you'll start to produce images that truly stand out. Now, while it's important not to compare yourself unfavorably to others, that doesn't mean you can't find inspiration in their work. So make it, part of your mission to follow photographers whose style resonates with you. Study their composition, their lighting, their storytelling techniques, but always strive to incorporate the influences into your own vision rather than just replicating or copying what they've done. So, fellow photographers, let's shift our perspective, shall we? Instead of feeling disappointed when our images don't match up to others, let's celebrate the diversity and individuality in our craft. Embrace your own unique voice, experiment fearlessly, and focus on the personal growth and satisfaction that photography is going to bring you. Remember, it's not about being better than others. This isn't a competition. It's about being the best version of yourself as a photographer that you can be. So go out there, explore, create, and let your photography shine with its own brilliance. Hey, I hope this has been useful. If it has, please, I'm sorry about the usual YouTuber thing, but if you could hit the subscribe button or the like button, either one of them, they will help me. And if you want a little bit more inspiration from other photographers, my favorite, Bill Brandt. you haven't ever known anything about Bill Brandt, then you should really click on this next video here and get some inspiration from the master photographer himself.